Hi, this is Pavitra. I have been meeting you with informative health related topics through our YouTube channel Health Support 360. Last week we discussed about immune system, what immune system is and how it works in our body. And as a continuation, today we are going to discuss about the benefits of Neem and how it helps in enhancing our immune system. Neem is one of the most important plant of the ancient Ayurvedic healthcare system. Neem grows in the tropical weathers of the subcontinents of Asia. All the parts of the plants like the flower, leaves, stem and bark are known for its medicinal properties. It has nearly 140 biological active compounds that are beneficial to us from head to toe. It is also called as the wonder plant. In Sangha Ilakyam, it has registered the efficacies of neem several thousands of years back in Olechuvadi. The sages like Agathir, Tirumular, and Tolkapir also referred the unique properties of neem and how it helps in disease prevention and cure. UN, United Nations, has announced neem tree as the tree of the 21st century. Neem has phenomenal properties. It is rich in antioxidants. It neutralizes the formation of free radicals and helps in disease prevention. It is anti-inflammatory. It is hepatoprotective, protects our liver from external toxins, environmental toxins. It helps in fast wound healing. It is anti-diabetic and anti-hypertensive. It is antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. It is also a neuroprotective and also helps in immune modulation. Using herbs has been part of our culture, tradition, and food. We have been using neem since ages, especially during Tamil New Year. We make neem leaves as pesto and use neem flowers and make a special rasam out of it. We can use neem in both externally and internally. Let's see how we can use it externally. We can soak the neem leaves in water the whole night and drink the water and also use that water for bathing. Neem can clear the internal atmosphere, can clear our air of microbes and pathogens and keeps us healthy. Neem can be taken internally in the powder form, half a teaspoon, maybe for 48 days to reap its benefits. Now, there are certain contraindications where you are not supposed to use neem, especially the pregnant ladies and the lactating mothers are not advised to take neem in any form. Infants and toddlers should not be given neem. Diabetic and hypertensive patients should take care while taking neem supplements. The medicines should be adjusted, the dosage should be adjusted while they're taking the neem supplements. Now, we did discuss about the beneficial properties of the neem, but many are skeptical about how these benefits and the properties of these neem can help us during this crisis. What's happening in this pandemic crisis? What is happening inside someone's body who has retracted the virus? Let's have a overview about that. There is an incubation period of 2 to 4 weeks after the virus entered the host. It depends upon how the host respond, his or her immune system respond to the virus. This is called as into the eye of the cytokine storm. The virus is itself not the culprit. These chemical mediators are produced like a storm. They can either be pro-inflammatory or anti-inflammatory according to the host internal environment. I believe from the bottom of my heart that the antioxidant rich, anti-inflammatory and immunomodulatory compound in the neem, when taken regularly, could halt the cytokine storm and lead our body to fight the virus. On the other hand, if our immune system is not robust, if it's not resilient, the virus will take the upper hand, replicate rapidly, and spread and injure the internal organs, causing fatal outcomes. This is an hypothesis. A lot of research is happening around this area, but going ahead and taking half teaspoon of neem for, like, say about 48 days is not going to harm us in any ways. So we can go ahead and do that for boosting our immune system. Hope this information was informative to you and also interesting. Stay tuned until I meet you next week with yet another interesting herb. Like, share, and subscribe us. Your comments are welcome. Connect with us through our channel, Health Support 360. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.